justice bills passed in Parliament? Check. More courts built and renovated? Check. Case disposal rates in courts improved? Check. More justices of the peace appointed and trained? Check. Contracts for improved technology in courtrooms? Check.
Amended were the Trafficking in Persons Act, to enable a judge to try trafficking offenses without a jury; the Child Care and Protection Act, raising the penalty from 10 to 20 years for the sale or trafficking of children; and the Child Diversion Bill was passed in the House of Representatives to put children who come in conflict with the law on a path away from the criminal justice system.
Those in favor? Those against? Ayes have it.
Bill entitled an act to facilitate the implementation of child diversion in the criminal justice system and for connected matters read a third time and passed.
We want to do everything within our powers to ensure that at every stage we give the child as much assistance to really lead on a straight and narrow path.
After 11 years, the first female Chief Justice of the country, Zayla McCalla, passed the baton to Brian Sykes.
As I inherit this mantle from my predecessor, immediate and predecessors past, I must say that I am under no illusion about what is expected of me and our legal system.
2018 also saw the Justice Ministry fulfilling its commitment of developing and delivering first-class justice infrastructures. The Supreme Court is now operating with 2 additional courtrooms and 2 restored elevators at a cost of $35 million. The Court of Appeal building and the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution have been expanded. In Clarendon, residents of Chapelton and neighboring communities now have a newly renovated family court.
My hope is that within the next couple of years, all the courts will be first world courts.
And then there were more. Government opened additional justice centers in Westmoreland, Trelawney, and Port Maria.
It's very important that when people come to the courts, they can have trust and confidence, not only in the delivery of justice, but feel that they're in space, that they can be comfortable and justice can be delivered.
And finally, on infrastructure development, the resocialization of children was a major priority of the ministry.
So that I can deliver to the family court the attendance center for the startup in January of 2019.
Last year was also marked by significant improvements in case flow management.
The case clearance rate for the Easter term was approximately 78%, a marked improvement of over 30% when compared to the previous term, as well as the annual clearance rates for 2017.
To help make justice accessible for all, the ministry signed a contract with technology firm Growth Tech Limited for the supply of Wi-Fi modems in all courthouses across Jamaica.
That is a part of the accountability that must exist in the courts, that they function efficiently and the people can see how justice not only is being examined and accessed, but is being delivered.
The ministry's mobile justice unit was still rolling in 2018.
Our mobile justice unit is taking justice into hard-to-reach communities, providing legal service and assistance to the poor, powerless, and marginalized.
For 2018 alone, over 340 justices of the peace, or JPs, were commissioned into service and trained in mediation techniques. The updated 2018 JP's legislation allows them to operate as justices of the peace in and outside their parish of residence.
When you offer your service across Jamaica, it is absolutely important for you to be fair-minded and ensure that fair play at all times is displayed as you adjudicate, as you give assistance, as you try to assist people.
The promises were made and acted upon by the Minister of Justice to stand up for justice, brotherhood, and peace.